Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Pharmacy chain Fontana has raised 500 million Jamaican dollars through a private bond placement. The facility, for which Scotia Investments was the lead arranger and broker, will be used to support Fontana's plans to develop a warehouse and distribution center in Kingston, as well as a new store in Portmore, St. Catherine. Fontana says it is firmly capitalized for the proposed Portmore expansion to begin next year. The company added that it is open to acquisition opportunities as it seeks to grow the Fontana brand. Now, according to Fontana's annual report, 2021 has been the company's most successful year to date. Revenues were up $5.2 billion, a 14% increase over the $4.5 billion in 2020. Spices and sauces manufacturer Spurtree Spices Jamaica is planning to list on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The company published its prospectus this week. 20% of the company is being brought to the market. 335.4 million shares will be sold for $1 Jamaican each. Now, the offer will open on December 29 and is scheduled to close on January 19. The funds generated will be used to pay off the company's $169 million debt, invest in capacity building, and expand the Spurtree and newly acquired exotic brand. And of course, you can get more details on that prospectus on the Jamaica Stock Exchange's website. Now let's head to the currency market. The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.61. $120.67 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $206.68 for the pound, while the euro is trading for an average $176.57. The JSE index lost 742 points today, while the junior market index lost 21 points, and that should have been the main market advance by 742 points. Now, today's advances include Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, JMB Group 7.25% shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica, Access Financial Services, and Pulse Investments, while on the losing side were Trans Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, Honeybun, Caribbean Producers Jamaica, 1834 Investments, and First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Don't go anywhere. Regional and international news are after the break.